Hello students, welcome to this in video. परम गुरु पाठशाला English Medium School Sarsa. My name is Urvashi Makwan. Today I am going to teach in math subject. Standard 2nd. Unit 1. Unit name is numbers up to 1000. Topics is concept of tens and second topics is concept of 100. So let's get start. Dear students, here given 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. So in this topic we will see 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. Firstly, we will see 1-digit numbers. 1-digit numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1-digit numbers are start from 1 and end with 9 number. 9 number after start 2-digit numbers. So 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Continue till the 99. 99 is the biggest 2-digit number. So 2-digit numbers start from 10 and end with 99 number. 99 after 100 comes. 100 is in 3-digit number. 100 after 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111. Continue till the 999. 3-digit number start from 100 and end with 999. 999 is the biggest 3-digit number. Concept of tens. Write the number by place. Dear students, here given 70 number. Now this 70 number divided in places. Places are ones and tens. 70 is 2-digit number. So first number 7 is in tens place. So write 7 number is in tens place. And 0 is in ones. So write 0 is in ones place. Now, how to read this number? 7 is in tens, so speak 70 and then after speak ones number. But in this number, ones 0, so only speak 70. Next number is 76. 76 is also two-digit number. First number 7. 7 is in tens. So write 7 is in tens place. And last number 6. 6 is in ones. So write 6 is in ones place. Seven is in tens, so speak 70, and 6 is in ones, so speak 6 only. How to read this number? 76. Ones number as it is speak. Last number is 65. 65 is also two-digit number. First number 6. 6 is in tens. So write 6 is in tens place. And last number 5. 5 is in ones. So write 5 is in ones place. Which number make 65? 6 is in tens. So speak 60 and 5 is in ones. So speak 5. 65. Complete the table. First number is 43. Now this number divided in tens and ones. 43 is two-digit number, 4 and 3. First number 4 is in tens and last number 3 is in ones. Next number is 54. Now this number divided in tens and ones. First number 5. So 5 is in tens. And last number 4. So 4 is in ones. So 5, 4, 54. Next number is 67. Now these number divide in tens and ones. First number 6. 6 is in tens place. And 6 after 7 number given. Last number 7 is in ones. Last number 84. 84 is two-digit number. Divided in tens and ones. First number 8 is in tens and 8 after 4 number given. So last 4 number is in ones. 8 4 84. Concept of 100. Two-digit divide in ones and tens. But when three-digit numbers, that time one place add, and that is 100. Ones, tens and hundreds, like that. See this image. It is represent 100, tens and ones. How to write number from these blocks? Here given in 100 place, first sky blue box, that is represent hundreds. One box so 100, like that, because in one box 100 boxes are there. And then green column, in one column 10 blocks. Green column represent tens, and here 3 columns show 30. And last loose boxes are there in light brown color. Loose box represent ones. Loose boxes are 8. So in concept of hundreds, in 100 place given one box. In one box 100 blocks. So in 100 place we write 1, and in tens place 3 column. In one column 10 blocks. So 10, 10, 10. 3 times given. So in tens place 3. And then last in ones place given loose boxes. Loose boxes. So that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in ones place 8 blocks. So which number make 138? 1 is in 100, 3 is in tens and 8 is in ones. Hundreds, tens and ones. Place value is the value of a digit based on its position in a number. Here given 100 place, tens place and ones place, and count the blocks and write in the blank. First blank hundreds. So when we write in 100 blank, so write box of 100. So how many 100 box? 1 and 2. So 2 is in hundreds. And how many tens? Tens is 1, 2, 3. That column represent tens because in one column 10 block. 10 is in 3. So write tens. Write 3 is in tens black. And how many loose boxes? Loose boxes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is in ones. 2 is in hundreds. 3 is in tens. And 5 is in ones. So which number make? How to read this number? 235. Count the hundreds, tens and ones in the images. Write the numbers in the boxes. Dear students, here given 100 box, tens column and some loose boxes, loose blocks. So firstly count the 100 box. How many 100 box? Only one. So in 100 place 1. And how many tens column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 100 after in tens place 7 number. And then how many loose blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So last in ones place 9 number. So 1 is in 100, 7 is in tens and 9 is in ones. How to read this number? Start from 100. When you read the 3-digit number, start from 100. 100, 1 after speak 100. First number after speak 100. 179. Now 7 number is in tens, so speak 70. So 70 and 9 number is in ones. Ones number as it is speak. So this number is 179. Speak again 179. Next example. Dear students, here also given 100 box, 1 column and some loose boxes. So write the number from this. Count the boxes and write the numbers. Here given 1, 2 and 3 box. 3 box of 100 because in one box 100 blocks. So in 100 3 number. And green column represent tens. How many tens? Only 1. When you count the tens, only count the columns, and when you count the 100, only count the whole box, not small boxes. Tens column only 1. So in tens place write 1. And last, in blue color, how many loose boxes? So 1, 2, 3. Loose box always in right ones place. So 1, 2, 3. Loose number is in ones place. 3 box of 100. So in 100 place 3. 1 column in tens. So in tens 1 number. And loose boxes 3. So 3 write in ones place. Now how to speak this number? Start from first number. First number is 3. So 313. 1 3 13. 313. Next example. Dear students, here given 100 box 100 box 2 times. So in 100 place 2. Firstly write the places. 100 tens and ones. Pink boxes represent 100. How many pink boxes? 1 and 2. You have to count whole box. Remember that, not small box. Only count the whole box. So 1 and 2. So write 2 is in 100. And how many columns? Columns represent tens. So now columns number write in tens place. Let's count columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Columns are 8 and columns represent tens. So write 8 number is in tens place. And dear students, can you see here any loose boxes? No. So in loose boxes not given here. So in ones place 0. So this number is 280 because loose box not given. So in ones place 0 because loose boxes we count and write in ones place. How to speak this number? Start from first number. First number given here 2 and first number speak after 100. 280. 80. 280. Dear students, next example. Here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pink boxes. And pink boxes represent 100 because in one pink box 100 small boxes. So count the whole box and write in 100 place. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 100 box 7. So write in 100 place 7 number. 100 after tens and last ones place. Now we have to write in tens place. So when we write in tens place, we have to count columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many columns? 5. So write 5 in tens place. And how many loose boxes? 1, 2, 3. So write 3 is in ones place. So which number make 753? 7 is in 100, 5 is in tens, and 3 is in ones. 753. Last example. Here given also box of 100, columns of tens, and some loose boxes. So count these and write the numbers by place. Dear students, here given pink box only 1. Pink box again represent 100. That big box, pink box represent 100 because in pink box small 100 boxes. 100 place, 100 after tens place, and last ones place. Pink box is only 1. So write 1 is in 100 place. Now next we will write in tens place. In tens place write, we have to count tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Columns are 9 and columns count and write in tens. Columns are 9, so write 9 number is in tens place. And last place is ones. In ones place, we count the loose boxes. Loose boxes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Loose boxes are 8. So write 8 number is in ones place. 1 is in 100, 9 is in tens because columns are 9 and loose box 8, so 8 is in ones. How to read this number? Start from 100 number. First number 198. In tens places, whatever number given, suppose 8 number given, so 8 is speak. 9 number given, so 90 speak. 90 speak. 5 number given, so 50 speak. Like that. Here given tens number 9, so not 9 speak. 90. And ones number as it is speak. Like 8, 9, 1, 2, like that. So this number is 198. Write the numbers by place. Dear students, here given number 234. Now this number is 3 digit. 2, 3 and 4. 3 digit. Now this number divide in places. Start from first. 2 number is in 100 place. 3 number is in tens place. And 4 number is in ones place. So this number is 234. Next number is 431. This number also 3 digit number. See, 4, 3, 1. When given 3 digit number, so first number is in 100. Because in 100 numbers 3 digit comes. 4 is in 100, 3 is in tens and 1 is in ones place. So how to read this number? In C, in tens place 3, but not speak 3, speak 30. So how to read this number? Start from first number. 431. First number after speak 100. 431. Next number is 105. Here also 3 digit number. 1, 0 and last number 5. Let's divide this number in places. Places are first hundreds and then tens and last ones. First number 1 is in 100 place, 0 is in tens place and 5 is in ones place. So how to read this number? 105. In tens place 0, that's why we speak 100 after only 5. 105. Last number is 346. This is also 3 digit number. First 100 place, then after tens place and then after last ones place. First number is in always 100 when given 3 digit number. 3 is in 100, 4 is in tens and last 6 is in ones place. How to read this number? Start from 3. Start from first number. So here first number 3. So 300. Don't forget the speak 100. First number after. 346. Here given in tens place 4. So you not speak 4. Speak 40. 346. Thank you watching this video.